Do you have a match? Mayroon ka bang pangsindi? Do you have a table? Mayroon ka bang mesa? How do you feel now? Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? He ran out of money. Naubusan siya ng pera. He took off his hat. Inalis niya ang kanyang sombrero. I am peeling apples. Nagtatalop ako ng mansanas. This is the way I study. Ganito ako mag-aral. I want to eat bread. Gusto kong kumain ng tinapay. I'm not really sure. Hindi ako sigurado. I'm just back. Kababalik ko lang. I borrowed a car. Nanghiram ako ng sasakyan. My hair is so messy. Napakagulo ng aking buhok. Only time will tell. Oras lang ang makapagsasabi. She walks slowly. Dahan-dahan siyang naglalakad. The air became warm. Uminit ang hangin. The roads are dirty. Madumi ang mga daan. They knew each other. Kilala nila ang isa't isa. The trees are green. Berde ang mga puno. These are my stuffs. Mga gamit ko ito. Stop complaining. Tama na ang reklamo. We aren't like that. Hindi kami ganon. Are you saying something? May sinasabi ka ba? I'm begging you to stop. Nakikiusap ako sa'yo, tumigil ka na. I came to say sorry. Pumunta ako para humingi ng tawad. I'm not expecting this. Hindi ko to inaasahan. I have to go. Kailangan ko nang umalis. What does this mean? Anong ibig sabihin nito? What was that noise? Ano yung ingay na yon? It's coming from the kitchen. Galing yon sa kusina. What's your problem? Anong problema mo? When did it happen? Kailan nangyari yon? Why are you yelling? Bakit ka sumisigaw? You're insane. Nababaliw ka na. Can you really do it? Kailangan mo ba talagang gawin yon? Do as I say. Gawin mo ang sinasabi ko. You're such a bad luck. Ang malas mo naman. That's just a hearsay. Chismis lang yon. I need an explanation. Kailangan ko ng paliwanag. Did something happen? Mayroon bang nangyari? Do you like anything? Mayroon ka bang gusto? Don't worry about it. Huwag mo nang alalahanin yon. He arrived too early. Masyadong maaga ang dating niya. He came to rescue me. Dumating siya para iligtas ako. He got angry with me. Nagalit siya sa akin. He hit me by mistake. Hindi niya sinasadyang matamaan ako. He seems to be lying. Parang nagsisinungaling siya. He speaks very loud. Malakas siyang magsalita. I'm smarter than her. Mas matalino ako kaysa sa kanya. I don't want to go. Ayaw kong pumunta. I just want to sleep. Gusto ko lang matulog. I know him very well. Kilalang kilala ko siya. I lost consciousness. Nawalan ako ng malay. Grab me some snacks. Dalhan mo ako ng merienda. I must go right away. Kailangan ko nang umalis ngayon din. I think you're right. Sa tingin ko, tama ka. I wish I were a bird. Sana ibon na lang ako. I'm free to fly everywhere. Malaya akong nakakalipad kahit saan. It sounds good. Mukhang maganda yan. Let's get out of here. Umalis na tayo dito. Nobody spoke with me. Walang nakipag-usap sa akin. Please do it quickly. Pakigawa ng mabilis. I'm in a hurry. Nagmamadali ako. Please wait a minute. Pakihintay lang po. She is a slow runner. Mabagal siyang tumakbo. She is angry with me. Galit siya sa akin. I'll just get something. May kukunin lang ako. Hurry up, I don't want to be late. Bilisan mo lang, ayaw kong mahuli. I'll go to the restroom. Pupunta lang ako sa banyo. There isn't any soap. Walang sabon. This is the best way. Ito ang pinakamainam na paraan. I'll be right back. Babalik din ako agad. Thanks for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.